It's okay, Helen. Assembly, the council, the Senate, it all is a blur sometimes. But, except for a few weeks ago. It is truly an honor and a privilege for me to be here today at this grand opening of the state-of-the-arts facility, and more importantly, an affordable health care clinic right here in the heart of Corona. I want to thank Paloma, I want to thank Helen, I want to thank her father, I want to thank the visionaries and the board of directors. As Paloma stated, when she did come to see me, I really didn't know much about Paloma. All I really knew was that Paloma walked in with Helen, and I knew Helen, so I said, well, if Helen knows Paloma, it must be a good thing. And she sat down and we spoke for a while, and it was almost as if she read my mind, because since day one, the day that I got elected, one of the things that I've always pushed was affordable health care, was making sure that the constituents were taken care of in this community. And she came to me with a plan. She said, I want to create this clinic, and it was Helen's idea, and I want to make sure that it becomes a reality, and we need your help. And I said to her, wow, you read my mind. That's exactly what we need. But where are you going to put it? And I was waiting to see where she was going to say, and she said, I have a perfect area. I want to do it in Corona. And I said, wow, you must be reading my mind, because that's exactly where I wanted to put it. And since then, we clicked. And that's why, since day one, I've been trying to be very helpful to Paloma and making sure that we get enough resources. And the senator and I, when the senator was in the city council, was very helpful in making sure that he secured funding to make sure that this became a reality. But Plaza del Sol is a $5 million facility, 12,000 square foot facility that's going to be open 7 days a week, evening hours, and is expected to serve over 8,500 people. I told Paloma, you can knock that number out of the box, because it's not going to happen. It's going to be over 10,000 people easily within the first year. And it targets anyone who comes through those doors. It means that the uninsured, the underinsured, it's going to come very handy to those individuals in this area, because the median income in this area is about $38,000. And during these tough economic times, God knows that we need affordable health care. And Plaza del Sol is going to be that light, that beam of light that's going to ensure that all these constituents in this area are taken care of. So today I want to thank Paloma. I want to thank Helen for doing the day in and day out work. I want to thank Borough President Helen Marshall. I want to thank Senator Hiram Montride. I want to thank Councilwoman Julissa Ferreiras. I want to thank all the board of directors for making this vision a true reality, because Plaza del Sol is not only going to be something, a clinic that is going to help Elmhurst Hospital in the area, but it's going to, more importantly, it's going to help the individuals when they're going to walk through that door and they're going to say, well, I don't know about my health care coverage, and they're going to be welcomed. And that's something that's very much needed in this area.